So this video is specifically about this older Craftsman lawnmower and how to replace a bag on one of these. It's in the past few years become very cost effective if you use your bag, and your mower still runs perfectly fine, to just replace the bag with one of the ones you can get off of Amazon. This applies to that mower too, really any other mower that takes a bag, no matter the brand, because they're all pretty much the same concept. First, what you want to do is find your model number for whatever machine you have. On these older Craftsmans, it's back here, and it usually starts like that with a 3-digit number and then a period and then 6 digits after it. You key that into Google, and then you can find the part schematic and breakdown of just about everything, not including the engine parts, for one of these mowers. So in this case, you would be looking for the bag, and then you would look at the outer bag assembly that goes over the frame. On something like this Troy-Bilt, usually the stickers are back here, and they start with an 11A or a 12A or something like that and go on just like that. Toro's, the sticker is under the bag door, usually right about right there somewhere, if it's still there. If their stickers aren't there, it's kind of difficult to identify them at times, but you might have to get a little crafty. This newer Craftsman, the sticker is on the bag door, but typically they're at the rear of the mower. Sometimes they'll be right around here on like a Honda or something. But that's how you would figure out model number is for your machine and figure out where that schematic is on Google. Because once you get that, you can figure out which bag you need to get for your machine. So put you guys in the tripod and let's get started. So it's really debatable on how long these new replacement bags will last. I doubt you'll get as many years out of them as you did the OEM old bag. This is at least a 20-year-old bag. It's actually not in that bad a condition, all things considered. I mean, it needs to be replaced, but that's all you do to pull them off. It just clips on, clips off. It's always the plastic part or rubber part that goes on the bottom. For this, all you have to do is just slide it in. And once you get to this part, you start from one end, kind of help it on. And then just clip it in. And it's pretty self-explanatory, the rest of the frame, because you just take the bottom, slide that on as well. And there you have it. This is one of the easier bag assemblies to replace the outer bag on. Some of them are a little bit more intuitive, but overall this one's not that bad. So now I can finish up servicing the rest of this machine and sell it on. I love these bags. In my area, it significantly boosts the value of a used mower for some reason. I don't quite know why. But, mulching your grass is quite a bit better for it, but some people prefer to bag it. And if that's what the market wants, that's what they're going to get. Links in the description for the part. Stay tuned for more.